Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I grabbed my camera because I was just taking out dinner for today. So I said, let me share it with my friends. I made this a couple of weeks ago. It is absolutely delicious. And you know the motto on this channel, it has to be delicious if we're gonna do this keto thing. So I took this out. I'm gonna let this defrost. We're gonna go ahead and use this. Okay, it's 85% lean, 15% fat. I'm gonna season it up with this Cajun seasoning. Add a little salt and pepper to it. Once it defrosts, we're gonna use some Monterey Jack cheese, some mozzarella. I'm gonna add some cauliflower rice to it, to our stuffed peppers. Now, you can go so many different ways with this menu. You can add some zucchini. You can add some walnuts for crunch. You know, I'm big on crunch. So what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna let it defrost, and if you guys have a cheesecloth, you can just strain it. You don't need to cook this. We're gonna add this at the last minute so it's nice and crunchy. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these fire roasted diced tomatoes, delish. And I found these super cute mini peppers here. The big ones, you know, they're a little bit too much. I'm the only one on the diet. So how adorable are these? So let's get started on today's delicious stuffed peppers, keto style. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna use my casserole dish or if I'm gonna use this pan. If I use this, I'll line it with some heavy duty aluminum foil. So we'll figure it out. Let me kind of brainstorm and feel it out. Last time I did use this, but I don't know. So we'll figure it out. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut the top and the bottom just a little bit off of our peppers, and I stuffed them with a little bit of the Monterey Jack cheese, just so we can continue adding the rest of the ingredients to it. How cute are these? Okay guys, so we're gonna add our last ingredients before we put it in the oven. So I'm gonna add the roasted tomatoes in. That way they're still nice and crunchy. I'm gonna add some onions because I like to have that little crunch still. I'm gonna add the cauliflower rice. I have it draining in a strainer. And I'm gonna get that all mixed together. I'm gonna add some garlic too. Okay guys, so this is what our mixture looks like. I can eat it just like how it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and get our peppers stuffed. Like I said, you can do so many different things with this menu. Add some zucchini in there for crunch. Add some walnuts, whatever. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am gonna put this in a preheated oven for about 15 minutes covered, and I'm gonna take the cover off and put it back in for another 15. So altogether cooking time is gonna be about a half hour. Whew. One of our peppers had a little accident. Okay guys, so our stuffed peppers are done. Look how delicious. I can't wait to bite into these. See you guys on the next video.